Hey everybody, it's Paul. So today I'm doing one of my favorite recipes, which is pulled pork, but this is one of my unique ones. This is exotic pulled pork. So what we're going to do real quick, we need to get this browning so that we can get all the rest of the ingredients going. So we're going to take 2 tablespoons corn oil. Yeah, I know, I measured perfect. We're going to take a little bit of salt. Gourmet pepper. As y'all know, I like using the blended gourmet pepper rather than the black pepper. Alright, we've got it seasoned up. Remember, we brined it overnight. Don't worry, that's in a whole other section. You have the recipe. So, we're going to go ahead and put this in. I'm going to put it fat cap down because I want the cap on the top whenever I go to put it in the oven. Alright, so this is my exotic pulled pork. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some seasonings in here that are really what most people would consider exotic. And the way I came up with this is one day when I still had my store, we were opening up a package from my spice supplier, and it just had this explosion of flavor. It was just like hit you in the face. It was amazing. And my brother-in-law happened to be there when I did it, so we kind of like, hey, let's make something with all this great smelling stuff. So this is one that's going to be unusual. This is cardamom. Cardamom is mainly used in a lot of Indian foods. It's used in a lot of other places. It comes in these little green pods. You can see it here, you can see it there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and crush this up. Alright, as you can see, I don't have it like perfectly crushed, but you got to remember, this stuff's going to cook for like 34 hours. Alright, our next exotic ingredient is going to be cloves. This is 10 of them. They're really, really strong. Be careful with them. Definitely need to be careful with these. I'm not crushing them up. I'm just going to throw them in. Alright, so this is a cinnamon stick. Just a little stick of cinnamon. Really cool. I love these. You can use them inside of tea, coffee, stuff like that. But today we're just going to throw it in there and we're going to leave it whole so that when we're ready we can just pull it straight out. Alright, so this is ginger. Really, really cool. You can get it just about any Asian market. You can also get it in many of the grocery stores. So we're going to do, I'm going to take this, I'm going to slice it up, dice it up. Just kind of not too fine, but a little bit fine. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spoon and just peel the skin off because you don't want that skin. Oh, look, it's garlic. Okay, not so exotic, but really good. I have about 4 cloves. Use as much as you want. And, of course, 1 onion. Nice. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. No. It's going to make it good. Now that we have it nice and seared, I'm going to go ahead and get it ready to put in the oven. So this is 1 12-ounce lager beer. This is going to be 1 cup of chicken broth. I made my own. You can use the stuff that's store-bought. Our onions, spread that everywhere. Ginger, garlic, our cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom, and of course our little bit of brown sugar. Alright, we've got everything in. Stir it up just a little bit. You can leave some of this stuff on top, that's not a problem. What we're going to do is go ahead and take this, put the lid on it, and drop it in the oven. Alright, put it in there, leave it alone. Don't touch it. You got a minimum of 2.5 hours before you can even worry about it. So go do something else. I'm going to leave it in there for 3. See you in a second. Alright, we took the lid off for the last 30 minutes so we get a little bit more brown on there. So we've got it just pulled out of the oven, and I'm going to pull this, or we're going to try to pull this up. Yeah, it's falling apart already. Alright, now that we have the meat pulled out, I'm going to go ahead and reduce this just a little bit so we can have a little bit of sauce. And I'm going to get the oil off of the top. So there you have it. Took it out of the oven, broke it up with these forks and everything. Take a little bit of this juice that we've rendered down. Don't put too much first. Stir that in. Alright, so there you have it. Exotic pulled pork. I put mine on bread. You can put it on a salad. You can put it on many other things. You just have it on the side of a whole bunch of vegetables. Whatever you choose to do. You can even add some barbecue sauce if you like. Remember, please subscribe, check out paulio.com and many other features that we have coming up. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to eat now.